The next property is property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Okay, so here property is like this: the ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. That means here line A, line B and line C, these three lines are parallel lines, and a line which intersect these three lines is called a transversal. So line P, this is one transversal, line Q, this is the one another transversal. Okay, then intercept means intercept means the line segment between two parallel lines. So here segment LM is called the intercept. Okay, similarly MN, this is the another intercept, XY and YZ, these are the intercepts. ठीक है, तो ये हिसाब से अगर इंटरसेप्ट बनते रहेंगे तो पहले ट्रांसवर्सल के लिए जो इंटरसेप्ट का रेशियो रहेगा दैट इज LM अपॉन MN, दैट इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द इंटरसेप्ट मेड बाय अनदर ट्रांसवर्सल फॉर द सेम थ्री लाइंस. ठीक है, दैट इज इक्वल टू XY अपॉन YZ. ये प्रॉपर्टी तुमको क्या करना है, याद रखने का. ठीक है, अब इसका यूज करके हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे. वन एग्जांपल इज गिवन. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5th. ओके, सेम टू सेम 7th एग्जाम्पल तुमको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC. That means here three segments are parallel segments. Okay, if AB is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14, then we have to find this BQ. Again here in this in these two ratios, four segments are there. Out of four segments, three values are given and one value we have to find. Okay, so here we write solution like this. In trapezium ABCD or in quadrilateral ABCD, this AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC Therefore, by the property of three parallel lines and their transversal we have AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. Just substitute the values. AP is 15 upon PD is 12 is equal to BQ we have to find upon QC given 14. Okay, take cross multiplication, so you'll get 15 into 14 is equal to BQ into 12. So you'll get 15 into 14 upon 12 is equal to BQ. This 12 get divided here. Okay, now simplify here. So by 3 we can simplify this. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, then 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, and therefore BQ is equal to 5 7s are 35 upon 2, right? 35 upon 2, that is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So 17.5, this is the required value for BQ is equal to 17.5. Okay, now we'll see the last example, that is the star example from the exercise. So this is the last example from the exercise. In triangle ABC, ray BD bisect angle ABC, ray BD, this ray BD bisect angle B, and ray CE bisect angle ACB. If segment AB is congruent to AC, then we have to prove that ED is parallel to BC. Okay, now here we start solution for this like this. In triangle ABC, segment AB is congruent to segment AC, and therefore AB is equal to AC. If they are congruent, then their lengths are equal. Okay, now since ray BD is the bisector of angle ABC, ray BD is the bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, by the property of angle bisector of a triangle. Angle bisector of a triangle. Angle bisector of a triangle we have okay. Angle B के लिए angle bisector property use करना है. So it will be AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. AD upon DC. Say this is equation number 1. Similarly, ray CE is the bisector of angle ACB, and therefore AC upon AB is equal to AE upon EB. AE upon EB. Say this is equation number 3. This consider as a 2, and say this is equation number 1. And therefore from 1, 2 and 3. अब इक्वेशन 1 और 2 में देखो, AC upon BC will come here. AC upon BC. This AC upon BC. Okay. So in equation 2 and 3, if you observe in left hand side ratio, both denominator is same, and in numerator there is AB and AC. But from equation 1, AB is equal to AC. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, we can write it as AB upon BC is equal to AC upon BC. होगा, दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है और दोनों का न्यूमरेटर ए बी और ए सी है, और इक्वेशन 1 के हिसाब से वो भी कैसा है, इक्वल है. तो दोनों रेशियोज की वैल्यू कैसी आ गई, इक्वल है. अगर दोनों रेशियो इक्वल रहेंगे तो दोनों की राइट हैंड साइड भी इक्वल रहेगी. एंड देयरफॉर ए डी अपॉन डी सी इज इक्वल टू ए ई अपॉन ई सी. सो व्हाट विल गेट, ए ई अपॉन ई बी, ए ई अपॉन EB, AE upon EB is equal to AD upon DC. It means this segment ED bisects the two sides of the triangle in equal ratios, right? And therefore by the converse of BPT, and therefore by converse of BPT. BPT means you have to write basic proportionality theorem. This segment ED is parallel to side BC. In this way we have to finish this example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay, thank you.